Hey everybody, this is my waste oil stove part 1 video. I just wanted to take a few minutes here and show you how I made it. This here is an old water tank out of my house. I turned it upside down. Those are the legs for it. I'm going to cut those off and weld them to the bottom. I cut a door in it. Just put a regular hinge on it. Then on the inside, I just have a pot, an old stainless steel bowl, and then a piece of pipe coming in, going into the bowl on the outside. There it is coming outside. And this is an old vacuum hose. And then my copper pipe that runs down inside the steel pipe. On the end of the pipe, I'll attach a garden hose that goes up to a bucket with a valve on it that I put my oil in, which I don't have hooked up right now. And the vacuum hose, I got it hooked up to an old bathroom ceiling fan, exhaust fan, and that's my air supply. Thanks for watching. This is part 1. There will be more updates. Thanks.